Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing a Baseus product, the Time Magic Box Double Spray Humidifier without battery. They do sell a version with a battery, and it says dual port humidifier. So if we turn the box over, 3 levels of fog volume, can be independently controlled. Dual spray port can automatically switch among the 3 modes of double, alternate, intermittent spray according to the environment. So a couple settings there. You can see what it looks like. Input is DC 5 volt 1 amp. Rated power is 3 watts. Current is 600 milliamp. Water storage is 550 mil, so about half a litre. And power interface is Type-C. So you can see the standard Baseus security sticker there. It ensures it is a genuine product. And there is also a nightlight mode. So I'll put this down, I'll put the camera down, and I'll just quickly open it. Okay, and we'll do the other side. Okay, so I'll pop the back tab off. We have a styrene packaging. Okay, so this is the unit, and in the bottom of the box we have a USB Type-C cable, 2 humidifier sticks, I'm not sure what they're called, and some little information packs. We have some stickers, social media card, warranty booklet, and instructions. So we'll go ahead and have a quick look at the unit. Quite nice design. So that is the USB Type-C input. That would be the power button. Then you have the 2 humidifier vents. And it says please refer to the manual for cover opening method. So I'll take a look at that in a little bit. Open this protective film. Not sure how to get in here, actually. I might have to just have a quick look at the manual. Okay, so let's try this. There we go. So that is your 550 mil capacity unit. You have what appears to be low water meters here, so when no current is detected between those two, the water level will have dropped below that point and you need to refill it. Looks like there's already foam cartridges, water cartridges in there, so these would be extra, which is good. And yeah, I mean, I think that's about all I can put in for this review. And the next step will be filling it with water, plugging it in, and turning it on. It does appear that there's O-ring sealers around here, so good for waterproofing, so water doesn't go everywhere. And yeah, that seems like it's quite a tidy little nice unit. And we'll leave it at that for the Baseus double spray humidifier unboxing. Thanks for watching.